In the world of today, steel products are used by many markets, from automotive to bridge and shipbuilding. Our Earth provides raw materials for those steel products. Through several stages, these materials are turned into basic products such as beams, plates, and tubes. For durable and reliable constructions, these products must be processed as well as protected against corrosion. To do so, KALTENBACH supplies integrated, high-quality solutions for the steel industry. May we present KALTENBACH and its solutions. History. KALTENBACH was founded in 1887 by Julius KALTENBACH. 135 years of history in the steel business, with no compromises in durability from day one. In 1953, KALTENBACH evolved as an innovator, which began with the creation of the first circular saw to use the patented upstroke principle. It was the start of many innovations for the steel processing industry, from drilling and coping to shot blasting and painting. In 1973, KALTENBACH established its first international subsidiary in the UK. This has grown into a global network for sales and service that enables KALTENBACH to serve its customers around the world. In 1980, KALTENBACH became a full service provider by creating products like the first CNC-controlled saw, new solutions for plate processing, coping, drilling, punching, shearing, shot blasting and coating opened up the global market. In 2012, KALTENBACH delivered the first fully connected systems which could be integrated into the customer's ERP systems. These game-changing production lines allowed customers to process steel fully automatically. KALTENBACH was ready to partner for the future. We wanted to modernize as well as improve our machines, durable and robust, with considerable savings on energy and consumables. Our goal is sustainable production at the lowest possible operating cost for our customers. Our specialists in Lörrach and Hengelo, as well as our sales centres and partners, are ready to offer advice and support all over the world. We are there wherever you need us. Over the years, KALTENBACH has become a technological leader and innovator, known for its powerful solutions and passionate people. Processing steel is our pride. We are driven to protect and guarantee the quality, reliability, and durability of our customers' products. Every day, we continue to improve the sustainability and reliability of our products. Our drive and pride is to process steel and to protect and guarantee the quality, reliability, and durability of the products of our customers. Every day, we continue to improve sustainability and reliability in all aspects. With the help of our passionate people, we promise that our solutions are exceptionally reliable and have a very high uptime, are the most environmentally friendly, and offer the lowest cost of ownership. Markets. At home in your industry, the individual opportunities in the steel industry are essential for the success of your business. From automotive industry to crane building, from locksmith shops to steel service centres, our experts know your business and the challenges you have to face every day. Benefit from our broad customer knowledge and vast experience in your industry. We look forward to working with you on your next project. KALTENBACH's drilling machines offer the highest drilling performance, delivering efficient and accurate milling of notches, chamfers, slots and pockets. Thanks to its powerful drives, high torque and fast rotational speed, you'll be getting the very best KALTENBACH has to offer. Perfect drilling and machining. Benefits include the highest processing performance in its class, with its 500mm sub-axis for parallel processing. Complete processing of material and lowest cost of ownership guaranteed. From straight, miter to multiple overlapping saw cuts at different angles, KALTENBACH will have the perfect saw for your business. Fast and reliable sawing. Benefits include state-of-the-art cutting performance combined with auto feed control technology for fastest cutting with longest tool life, KALTENBACH's bandsaws offer the lowest cost of ownership and are Industry 4.0 ready. The KF series offers multiple technologies in one machine, giving you the freedom to produce your plates in the most efficient way. The high level of automation of KALTENBACH's plate processing machines will boost your productivity and profitability. Advanced plate processing. Benefits include fully automatic handling, making the KF series highly efficient and suitable for cost-effective production whilst offering maximum performance and optimal cutting quality. The EcoBlaster is your perfect companion for efficient cleaning of plates, profiles and tubes. Efficient cleaning of steel products. Benefits include optimal blasting and cleaning results with integrated noise protection that is rated below 80 decibels. The EcoBlaster provides up to 40% energy saving and is Industry 4.0 ready. Do you want to supply an attractive, finished product to your customer? We are able to deliver high-end spray painting solutions for primer and top coating of steel constructions. Innovative painting technologies. Benefits include minimum overspray thanks to its unique airless spray guns and high-quality finishes, setting the standard for consistent coating and energy-efficient production. Realise optimal productivity with reduced cutting and cycle times with KALTENBACH's circular sawing machines. Available as semi or fully automatic and suitable for steel and aluminium. Top level sawing. Benefits include fully automatic unmanned operation and automatic cut-off sorting, suitable for straight and mitre cuts. The KKS 463 offers a remnant length of 10mm together with a magazine for material storage. Optionally, it can be equipped with a 4-axle drilling machine. Universal Sawing Genius. Benefits include suitable for almost all profile shapes and solid material. Mitre range 180 degrees. Simple operation. High cutting performance and smooth running. We are the experts in steel processing and surface treatment. Our custom-made service solutions guarantee that you benefit from optimal performance, availability, and continuous high-quality output of your investment. Together with our partners, we keep your solutions up and running with optimal performance. Our clear project approach guarantees a smooth project execution. It starts with a clear scope of supply and functionality, including interfaces. We take care of the entire process from engineering and manufacturing to installation and commissioning. Our project manager is with you every step of the way, from the first approval of the project up to the site acceptance test, handover and production optimization. As technological leader in the field of steel processing systems, KALTENBACH excels in product quality, innovation and design. Here are a few of our references. Convince yourself of the knowledge of 135 years of experience. Powerful solutions, passionate people.